very few mobile games have African culture integrated into them. Unfortunately, even fewer of these games are produced by African developers. There is a stereotypical backdrop that's associated with these games, showcasing Africa as very dependent on external resources. So our project proposes Alkébulan, an African strategy RPG game that can help integrate African culture in engaging ways, as well as preserving African culture and educating individuals about African culture. My name is Wesley Texan, and I was joined with Timi and Elvis in producing Alkébulan.
The objective of our project was to develop a playable prototype. For now, we focused on 3 countries from Africa. We focused on Ghana, Nigeria, and South Africa. We picked out the Akan tradition from Ghana, the Yoruba tradition from Nigeria, and Zulu from South Africa. Within the game, we have 3 significant Akan characters: Obrumam Kroma, Osun, and Odapijan. We also have 2 from Nigeria, Ogun and Oksoksi. In the future, we seek to expand and add characters from other cultures in Africa.
So we basically made the game using Unity Engine, and the reason why I chose that was because I had some previous experiences in Unity Engine. During my last summer break, I interned at an African gaming company called Letty Arts, and they introduced me to Unity. So I made 2 games there. One of them we submitted one of them for the Games for Change challenge, but unfortunately we didn't win. But it was like my first game ever, so I was proud of it. And then from there, I kept making more games, and I decided to use Unity for this particular game. Currently, there are a lot of features I have in my mind for the game, and the reason why we didn't add them was because we had a time constraint and we're an extremely small team. So in the future, we are looking to add a lot more features, a lot more characters from different African countries, and we are looking to make the game a lot more enjoyable. One major feature we're going to add is a new gameplay logic. We're going to change the battle system we have right now to make it more interactive and fun. So currently it runs only on Android, but we're working to make it run on iOS as well.